Hey, hi, hello, welcome. Now we are going to discuss various high level languages and history of C. And now we are going to discuss some of the oldest languages like Fortran, COBOL, and BASIC. Fortran is for specially designed for mathematical application and scientific engineering, and Fortran is for formula translation. Fortran is for formula translation. It was developed by John Backus at IBM in 1956 to 1959. It was specially designed for mathematical application and engineering problems. The next one is COBOL, common business oriented application, common business oriented language designed for commercial business application. The COBOL was initially used by American defense, and later it was maintained by Codacil. Codacil, in the sense conference and data system language, it was maintained. The first version of the first release of this COBOL is 1960s is there, and later it was a revised version is 1965 is there. These are oldest languages. And next one is a basic programming language. Basic is for beginners all purpose symbolic instruction course developed in Dartmouth College. It was in USA. In 1963, the basic language was developed by John and Thomas, and this basic language is for specially designed for microcomputers. And next one is a Pascal. Pascal is one of the mathematical programming language, problem solving programming language. Pascal is one of the famous mathematician name, and it was developed by Nicholas. It was developed by Nicholas. Just you observe here the small notes is there. Just you observe Fortran, COBOL, and BASIC and Pascal. Very short notes, and it is important for short question, and every student must to know about these languages. Not only these four languages, there are Algol is one of the famous language, and plenty of other programming language, other old high level languages are there, but we are ignoring that. So now we are going to discuss history of C. So here the C is one of the most popular programming language. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie. It was designed by Dennis Ritchie at AT&T's Bell Laboratories. It was designed by Dennis Ritchie and AT&T's Bell Laboratories. It was designed in 1972. So first of all, what is the root map for the C language? So at that time, modern languages are there. How they are developing one by one. We are going to think about. So we are not going to cover all programming language. Just only familiar and famous programming language only we covered here. First, initially everyone knows that Algol is one of the famous oldest modern language. It was designed by International Group Committee, and it was designed at 1960s. It is especially the details are hide. So this Algol language was used for hide the data. And after Algol, there is one more language they are introducing, COBOL. We know that COBOL is for common business oriented language, and next one is one more language is there, that is Fortran. There are two languages are there. These two are Fortran and COBOL. We know that this COBOL is for commercial application and Fortran is for problem solving, engineering problem solving. And the people are working these two different applications. Who required commercial application, they use this one, and who required mathematical application, they use this Fortran language. Both are different work. Both COBOL is working for one purpose and Fortran is for one purpose. That situation the people are thinking about. So we required one single language. That language is provides a commercial application features at a time. It is provides the mathematical features. So they need these both features. You understood? So it requires these both features. So that time the people are thinking about one of the common programming language. That language is support the COBOL features, parallelly Fortran feature. That time in 1963, the CPL language was invented. That is a combined programming language. The meaning is there, combined. The combined is nothing but COBOL and Fortran features. Some additional features are also there. It was designed by Cambridge University. But here problem is that CPL it is very difficult to learn and hard to implement. So this programming language, the developers, they never comfort with this language. They are ready to learn, and they are ready to implement. Why? Because there is only very difficulties there in the 1960s in a CPL programming language. After the engineers, the focused on another language, BCPL. BCPL is nothing but basic combined programming language. So in some additional features added. The CPL is the one programming language. They added some additional features, and that programming language is for BCPL. And in a BCPL was designed by Martin Richards at Cambridge University, and it is used only developed OS, and where we develop this operating system, that area only it works. It is not a mission independent, it is a mission dependent. And next they are thinking about one more language, that is a B language, and it is nothing but the combination of CPL and combination of BCPL. And again they are developed this programming language, and this was specially designed for Unix operating system. Same AT&T's Bell Laboratories USA and Ken Thompson. Right here, this Dennis Ritchie is one of the member in this and this area. Dennis Ritchie, he was one of the member in BCPL and B. So he has clear idea about BCPL programming language and parallelly B programming language. And Dennis Ritchie thinks about BCPL and B, and he was created one language, nothing but BCPL plus B. It is nothing but C. Just he added BCPL features and B feature. Why? Because Dennis Ritchie is worked in BCPL and B. So it was designed for all operating system different. The C was originally developed for Unix operating system. Why? Because it was influenced by BCPL and B language. Dennis Ritchie is rewritten entire code in C. That's enough. This is one of the history. In the 1960s, and there is 1960s is Algol is there, and later there is a COBOL and Fortran is there. COBOL is for commercial application and Fortran is for mathematical application, and people are using these two languages for two different purposes. But that time some people needed these two languages in one area, one application need to support COBOL and Fortran. That time only they are invented CPL. But CPL is one main issue is there, that is very difficult to learn and difficult to implement. After they are implementing BCPL. BCPL is nothing but some additional feature to the CPL language. And here there is a one issue is there. What is the issue? It is for only specified operating system. It is only for specified operating system, not for all, not like Unix, not like Windows. It is only works on particular operating system. And again people are thinking about one more language, that is B language. The B language is adding some additional features to this BCPL, and they are invented new implementation. The later Dennis Ritchie was focused on BCPL and B language, and he rewritten entire code in C. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.